What if I told you that the same robot designed to sweep your floor could also master Kung Fu? What if a machine could not only cook your dinner, but defend itself with lightning reflexes, just like Bruce Lee? Sounds like a scene from a futuristic movie, right? But this is not fiction anymore. Elon Musk has just unveiled Tesla Bot Gen 3, and what it can do has shocked the entire world. From cooking to cleaning, from martial arts training to real-world applications, this robot isn't just a gadget, it might be the biggest step toward a future where humans and robots live side by side. When Musk first announced the Tesla Bot project back in 2021, many critics laughed. A humanoid robot that could walk like us, interact like us, and take over boring or dangerous jobs? Most thought it was just another one of Elon's wild dreams. But today, in 2026, that dream is standing on stage in front of us. Moving, cooking, cleaning, and yes, even learning Kung Fu. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is no longer a prototype hidden in a lab. It's a reality that the entire world is now witnessing. So why Kung Fu? At first it sounds strange. A household robot learning martial arts. But the reason is simple. Kung Fu is not about violence. It's about balance, precision, and adaptability. Training a robot in martial arts means teaching it how to move smoothly, recover from falls, react to unpredictable environments, and operate with precision. If a robot can master Kung Fu, then it can learn to move naturally, handle complex objects, and adapt to situations no machine has ever faced before. Watching Tesla Bot mimic human instructors, fall, get up again, and finally perform flawless martial arts stances shocked even the toughest critics. But Tesla Bot is not just a fighter, it's a helper. The biggest shock came when Elon Musk revealed its ability to cook and clean with ease. Imagine this. After a long day of work, you walk into your home and your Tesla Bot has already prepared a hot meal, cleaned the dishes, vacuumed the floors, and even folded your laundry. No arguments, no excuses, just perfect execution. At Tesla's latest demo, the robot walked onto stage, prepared a meal live in front of thousands, served Elon Musk himself, and then transitioned seamlessly into a Kung Fu demonstration. Moving with speed and precision no one thought possible for a machine. How does this work? The secret lies in Tesla's AI. The same technology that powers self-driving cars now powers these humanoids. Tesla's Dojo supercomputer and neural networks are teaching the robot not just to repeat actions, but to learn and evolve. It sees, it adapts, it improves. With advanced cameras, sensors, and deep learning systems, Tesla Bot is not just programmed, it's trained just like a human being. Every mistake becomes a lesson. Every movement becomes sharper. Every action more efficient. The global reaction has been mixed. Some people are amazed, calling it the greatest invention since the internet. Imagine a world where robots handle dangerous factory work, assist the elderly, and take over repetitive household tasks. Others, however, are afraid. Governments and tech experts are already debating the ethics. Should robots really be learning martial arts? What if they are misused? What if hackers take control? What happens when machines that can cook, clean, and defend themselves are placed in the wrong hands? Musk insists Tesla bots are programmed with strict safety protocols. But history has shown that every great invention can be used both for good and for harm. Pilot programs are already running across the world. In Japan, Tesla bots are helping elderly citizens live more independent lives, cooking meals, and providing companionship. In the US, families are testing them in homes as personal assistants. In China, factories are deploying Tesla bots to handle precision assembly work that humans find exhausting. Hospitals are even experimenting with using the robots as assistants to nurses, lifting patients, delivering supplies, and handling sterilization tasks. The impact is real, and it's happening now. But as impressive as it is, there are deep concerns. A robot that can fight, cook, clean, and adapt means a machine that could replace millions of jobs. It means an economy where robots outnumber workers. Some see it as liberation, freeing humans from boring and dangerous work. Others see it as the beginning of mass unemployment and social upheaval. Elon Musk argues that this is why we need universal basic income, because, in his words, the future of work is going to change forever. And then there's the bigger fear. What happens when robots stop being just helpers and start becoming too independent? Musk himself has warned about the dangers of artificial intelligence many times. Now, with Tesla Bot Gen 3, he is leading the world into exactly that future. Some call him brave, some call him reckless, but nobody can deny he has shocked the world once again. The twist in all of this is that Tesla Bot Gen 3 is not just another gadget. It represents a new species of machine. Machines that don't just follow instructions but learn, grow, and adapt. Machines that can cook for you, clean for you, and protect you. Machines that can master Kung Fu today. But maybe, just maybe, something far more powerful tomorrow. So what does this mean for us? Will Tesla Bot Gen 3 become humanity's greatest helper? Our cleaner? Our bodyguard? Our friend? Or is this the first step toward a future where machines become too powerful to control? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. The era of humanoid robots has officially begun. And Elon Musk once again has left the world speechless.